Hi, good day everyone. I'm Janeline Misinero and this is Project 2 from Law, and my reporting is Environmental Sustainability and Impact of Agriculture. Introduction, Environmental Sustainability and Impact of Agriculture. Overview, Environmental sustainability emphasizes the responsible use of resources to maintain ecological balance and preserve the environment for future generations. Agriculture plays a significant role in this by both contributing to and being affected by sustainability efforts. Ito ay para mapanatili ang ating kalikasan at ang responsibilidad natin sa paggamit ng likas na yaman upang mapanatili ang ecological na balance at pagpapanatili ng pagpapaganda sa ating mga kalikasan. Next is importance of sustainability. Sustainability in agriculture is crucial for ensuring long-term food security, protecting natural resources, and reducing negative environmental impacts such as pollution and biodiversity loss. Ito naman ay para mabawasan ang negatibong epekto sa kapaligiran tulad ng polusyon at pagkawala ng biodiversity. Next is agriculture's impact. The agricultural sector has a considerable influence on the environment through resources consumption, land use change, greenhouse gas emissions, and water usage, highlighting the needs for sustainable practices. Dito naman yung nakakaapekto sa paggamit ng mga pagbuga ng mga like dun sa eagle cement, and ang naapektuhan nito yung greenhouses. And sa paggamit ng tubig na nagpapakita ng pangangailangan para sa pagpapanatili. Challenge in agriculture, the resources depletion, the overexploitation of natural resources such as soil, water, and energy. In agriculture threatens long-term productivity and sustainability, necessitating conservation strategies. Dito naman makikita ang pagkasira ng mga likas na yaman. Ang sobrang paggamit ng mga likas na yaman tulad ng lupa, tubig at enerhiya sa agriculture ay nagbabanta ito ng malaking pagkasira. Is pollution. Agricultural activities contribute to various forms of pollution including water, contamination from pesticides and fertilizers, air pollution for livestock emission, and soil degradation from improper waste disposal. Dito naman, ito yung contamination ng tubig. Dito nagkakaroon ng pollution. Pollution din sa hangin mula sa mga emission ng mga hayop, pagkasira ng lupa dahil sa hindi tamang pagtatapon ng basura. Next is climate change effects. Climate change poses significant challenges to agriculture with extreme weather events, shifting growing season, and altered pest and disease patterns, impacting crop yields and farm productivity. Yung pagbabago sa klima ay nagdadala ng malaking hamon sa agriculture sa pamamagitan ng matitinding kaganapan sa panahon ngayon, mainit, malamig, paiba-iba. Tapos, sa panahon ng pagtatanim, pahirapan po ang mga agriculture. Dahil sa paiba-ibang epekto ng. The third slide, sustainable agriculture practices. Organic farming. Organic farming prioritizes soil health, biodiversity conservation, and the elimination of synthetic chemicals to produce food in an environmentally friendly and sustainable manner. At dito ay ang kalusugan ng lupa, lalo na sa panahon ngayong tag-init. Hindi natin mapanatiling may sapat na tubig yung tatamnan natin para hindi mamamatay yung mga halaman. Is precision agriculture. Precision agriculture employs technology and data-driven approach to optimize inputs such as water, fertilizer, and pesticides, enhancing productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Paggamit ng pataba sa halaman at pagpatay ng mga peste dun sa mga halaman like yung mga uod para dito mapanatiling mabuti yung halaman. Agroforestry. Agroforestry integrates trees with crops and livestock to create diverse, resilient agro ecosystem that provide multiple benefits including improved soil fertility, carbon sequestration, and biodiversity conservation. Agroforestry ito yung pinakamahalaga sa atin, lalo na sa pagtatanim, tapos sasabayan mo ng pag-alaga ng hayop. Malaking benefits to para makatulong sa ating pagganda ng kapaligiran. Pagsasama-sama yung carbon at konserbasyon sa biodiversity. The fourth slide is technology and sustainable agriculture. IoT application, Internet of Things technologies enable remote monitoring of crop soil condition and equipment facilitating data-driven decision make in agriculture. Marami ng advantage na technology. Ito na yung ginagamit sa pangmalawakang taniman. Is robotics. Robotic system can automate tasks like planting, harvesting, and pest control, improving efficiency and reducing labor costs in agriculture. Ito na yung kaya na niyang gawin yung nagagawa ng tao, like yung pagtatanim, ani at pagkontrol ng peste. Example ko na yun sa Japan, ang dami ng advantage, lalo na sa mga harvesting ng prutas, kung paano itatanim yung palay. Next is smart farming solution. Advanced technologies like drone, sensor, and AI algorithms optimize farms operation leading to increased productivity and resource utilization efficiency. Like yung drones, ngayon kaya na niyang magdilig. Ang advantage sa drone, kaya na din niyang maglagay ng mga pang-pesticide and kayang-kaya na niyang magdilig sa pangmalawakang. The fifth slide is understanding climate change. Cause impact on AB designs. Causes of climate change. Climate change is primarily caused by human activities such as excessive carbon emission, deforestation, and industrial practices in contribute to the greenhouse effect and global warming. Pangunahin nito ang pagbabago ng klima, yung mga pagbabago ng carbon, pagkalbos ng mga kagubatan, apakalaking epekto nito sa ating kapaligiran. Impact on AB design. Climate change poses challenge for AB design, including the need for enhanced resilience to extreme weather events, incorporation of energy efficient technologies, and adaptation to changing environmental conditions. Ito yung matinding kaganapan ng panahon. Pagsasama-sama ng mga teknolohiya at enerhiya, matibid at pag-angkop sa pagbabagong mga kondisyon ng kapaligiran. The next slide is carbon production in agriculture activities, sources impact on environment. Source of carbon production, agriculture activities such as livestock farming, crop cultivation, and land use change contribute to carbon production through processes like methane emission, deforestation, and soil degradation. Next is impact on environment. Carbon production from agricultural activities leads to greenhouse gas emission, soil degradation, loss of biodiversity, and water pollution. Challenge the sustainability of ecosystem and environment. The next is mitigating climate impact in AB designs, sustainable practices, carbon footprint reduction. Sustainable practices in AB designs, implementing sustainable design strategies such as energy efficiency, green building material, and renewable energy integration can help mitigate the climate impact of AB projects and reduce carbon emission. Carbon footprint reduction. Reducing the carbon footprint of AV designs involves optimizing energy usage, minimizing waste generation, promoting eco-friendly construction methods, and adapting innovative technologies for sustainable development. The next is balancing economic interest and environmental responsibility. Challenge opportunities for sustainable growth. Challenge of balancing interests. finding the equilibrium between economic interests such as portability and growth and environmentally responsibility such as conservation and sustainability poses challenge in achieving sustainable development goals in AB project. Ito dito natin makukuha yung achievements of sustainable for AB project. Next is for opportunities from sustainable growth. Embracing sustainable practices opens up opportunities for innovation, market differentiation, cost savings, regulatory compliance, and enhanced reputation, leading to long-term growth and success in construction industry. Target dito is market, and ang cost and saving is malaki makukuha natin dito.
The next slide is case studies. Successful implementation of sustainable practices, like for example projects. Case studies of successful sustainable AV project demonstrate innovative design solution like energy efficient technologies and effective sustainability strategies that have resulted in positive environmental outcomes and occupant satisfaction. And the next is result and benefits. This is important that like the implementation of sustainable practices in EP projects has led to reduce energy costs and to improve building performance and has occupant conform and positive impact on the environmental, showcasing the tangible benefits of sustainability. Next is important is lesson learned. Lesson from successful sustainable EV projects highlight the importance of stakeholder collaboration, early integration of sustainability principle, continuous monitoring of environment metrics, and adapting to evolving green building standard to achieve long-term success. Now, implementation strategies for sustainable AV designs. This is the best practices in sustainable design. Effective implementation of sustainable AV design involves thoughtful site selection, efficient use of materials, energy saving strategies, and consideration of life cycle. Custom maximize environmental benefits like solar and the windmill, and the next is integration of green technologies. Incorporating green technologies such as solar panels, rainwater, harvesting system, and energy efficient HVAC system enhance the sustainability of EV designs, reducing operational costs and environmental impact over time. The next last two slide is innovation in sustainable AV project. The technological advancements, innovation in smart building technologies, renewable energy system, and renewable efficient appliances, and IoT integration offer new opportunities to enhance sustainability, improve building performance, and optimize resource utilization in AV project. The next is green building materials. The use of eco-friendly materials like recycled content to low emission products, sustainable wood, and energy efficient insulation in AV project like reduce environmental impact, promote healthier indoor environments, and support sustainable construction practices. The last slide in conclusion, path to a sustainable future, and the key takeaways reflecting on the importance of sustainable agriculture, the role of technology, the policy is more important, and consumer demand in driving environmental resilience, and the to call to action, encouraging stakeholders to prioritize sustainable practices, adapt innovative and technologies, advocate for policy support, and meet consumer demands for sustainable products. And the last is sustainable development goals, like aligning with global sustainability goals like the UN Sustainable Development Goals to address climate change, biodiversity, conservation, and food security through sustainable to agriculture, And guys, thank you for watching.